walk with the sun. Carry a compass to help you along. Your feet are going to be on the ground. Your head is there to move you around. So stand in the place where you live. Now face no. Think about direction, wonder why you haven't. Now stand in the place where you were. Now face where. Think about the place where you